Bitcoin, well, strong bounce over the last few days during the weekend. Seems like it doesn't want to fall further. I don't know if the bottom is in. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 9 July 2024. Today I will be trading long Euro, Aussie and Pound and short on the Swiss, the Yen and the US. So let's get started with the dollar index. Well, finding a little bit support in the medium term moving average here, but on my intraday still very bearish here. That wants to turn bearish. So we're a little bit between a rock and a hard place finding direction, but usually these moving averages gives us direction within a few days. Gold, well, flying up and then giving up. Just this, if this big hand is coming in, stopping it. You can see the moment gold breaks, the big hand comes in. It breaks, big sell-off. Breaks, big sell-off. I wonder what manipulation is involved here. But nonetheless, on a weaker dollar, we should see some more bullishness on gold. But for now, there's not much we can do. Only this open trade we had on the dailies there, which is just keep going, and that's basically it. Other than that, nothing we can do. We can wait for retracements to the 61% Fibonacci levels there. There's nothing wrong with that, but that's getting a little bit out of hand. Let me move it there. Then we can do the 50 and the 61%. That's the level to watch. The trend here is turning bullish. You can see the line is turned from red to blue, which is good news, which is very, very good news. So if we go back onto the 4-hour charts, definitely a retracement back to this daily levels is also good. You can see the 50 to 61% here, the structure here. So I'm leaving it on the dailies, and that's the area I'm going to look for some longs. Bitcoin, well, strong bounce over the last few days during the weekend. Seems like it doesn't want to fall further. I don't know if the bottom is in, but never got to the 50,000 levels. But a strong bounce. We can see on the 4-hour charts also busy making a double bottom here. So for a double bottom to be a double bottom, we're going to need this to take out that intermediate high, which is, let's say, almost 59,000, 58,500. Once we can get a solid level being taken out there, then we should be fine. But for now, we will just have to sit. The falling trend line is not really in play. It only tested 1-2 times, so we'll see if it gets there. The problem with this is, although we're finding support here, the problem is we've got a lot of resistance coming here. It was a strong level, support. Could become strong resistance. That's why I've got the falling trend line in there. So this is still the coup de grace, the trend line, not the big thing, but this big support level. Once we can break above that, then I think we should be fine. But I'll still wait for that indicator to turn bullish. Aussie Swiss, Aussie green zone, Swiss red zone, waiting for the retracement back to the 61% Fibonacci level. Right a structure there and there. So if I can get it to come back there, I'll consider some longs. The Euro Yen consolidating heavily. But still, the bottom of the consolidation is the 61% fib of this last swing. We're also on this consolidation, a nice breakout there. If we can get a good solid break and then a retest and then a nice counter reversal, I'll consider some longs. You can see the Euro is in the green zone, Yen in the red zone. So definitely something I want to be long in, but not in the middle of the sideways range, either from the bottom or then on the break and the retest. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. US CAD, US red zone, CAD neutral, not that much after that. But the dollar, looking for the shorts at 61% level, right the structure here and there. So if I can get a test there and a nice counter reversal, I'll definitely consider some shorts. Aussie New Zealand, Aussie green zone, New Zealand neutral, so not that much after that, but the Aussie got all the sparkle. But I'm going to need a retracement back to this 50-61% level. You can see here support, resistance, and support coming in there. So I'm patiently waiting for retracement. I'm not going to buy up at those levels. Aussie US, Aussie, well, green zone, all the sparkle, dollar red zone. Big swing, retracement back to this level. This is what I'm after. Not that I think it will happen today unless some news comes out, and there's not much news today. But if I can get a retest here at this level, I'll then look for some longs. Aussie CAD, nice swing up the page after this consolidation. You can see it started to break and now a strong break. Aussie green zone CAD neutral, not after that, but I'm after the Aussie. You can see it, a lot of Aussie trades I'm after, but I need a retest at the 50-61%, right the structure there. So once I get that retest and a strong counter reversal, I'll then consider some longs. Euro US, Euro green zone, US red zone, waiting for the retracement, 50%, right the structure here, trend nice and bullish. So want to be long, but not from those levels. I need this to retrace to this area here. New Zealand yen, nice strong run up the page. New Zealand neutral, but yen, the one I'm after. Bottom of the pile, I want to be short yen. Taking a long here will give me that short on the yen. So let's see if I can get a retracement back to this structure here, which is between the 50 and 61% level. I'll definitely consider some longs. S&P 500 run up the page, very nice run. Now we need the retracement back to 50-61% level structure here. I would actually like to see a retracement back here, because that's a very nice sideways range. But we did the break, we did see the retest, and then it's bouncing. So I'll consider both these levels. I'll consider that level on some counter reversals, and then also this level on some counter reversals. We got a weak dollar, which is stock market bullish, and that should keep the S&P 500 going up the page. Then the US yen. US red zone, yen red zone, yes, but dollar gaining a little bit of strength here. So if it bounces off that end of day levels of the moving averages, this is the only place I can be long on the dollar, because the yen is bottom of the pile. So I spot this nice flag pattern. So we need a strong good break, a retest, and then a very nice counter reversal. That'll get me to go long here, hoping for that end of day dollar index levels to hold and then bounce strongly. So this is a bit of a hedge against any form of dollar strength, where all the other stuff that I do here is dollar bearish. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.